Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OPPO Find X3 Pro. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, next is on top of the screen right there, and I think that's all of the speakers. Yep, that's all of the speakers on this device. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. So let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.